How to save view once photos and video on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. There's no one way to simply record videos and photos or save it. What you can do is mirror your phone to your laptop. After you've mirrored, you can simply take a screenshot in your laptop of view once. And another thing what you can also do is if you're not able to save video or photo, you can simply take another phone and play the view once photo from here, and then from another phone you can take a picture of it, or you can record a video if it's a video. And these are the only way to save. Also, make sure you ask permission of the other person, or you can tell the other person to resend you the photo or video to save. This is how to save view once photos and videos on WhatsApp. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.